In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Taobao app language from Chinese to English. We'll use a simple built-in translation toggle that makes shopping easier without needing any extra tools. This method focuses on translating what matters most while you browse. Start by opening the Taobao app and heading to any product page. You can search for an item you're interested in, or tap something from the home feed. You'll know you're on a product page when you see the large images, the item title, the price, and sections for details and reviews. That's the place where Taobao offers its translation option. Once you're on that product page, look for a button labeled Translate or the Chinese word Fan Yi. Depending on your app layout, you might find it along the top bar or down at the bottom of the screen. It can appear as a simple text label or a small control that shows up when you stop scrolling. If you don't spot it right away, pause for a moment and check both the top and bottom edges of the page, as it can hide while you move through the content. When you see Translate or Fanyi, tap it. The app will convert much of the text on that page into English. This works best for product titles, descriptions, and reviews. You'll usually see key specs and seller-provided details switch to English as well. Keep in mind that images, prices, and certain navigation labels may stay in Chinese, and occasionally some text embedded in images won't translate. If the translation doesn't appear instantly, give it a second to load. You can scroll to confirm that the title, the main description section, and the review comments are now readable in English. If you prefer to switch back to the original Chinese, tap the same translate button again to toggle it off. A quick note about expectations: this is machine translation. It's great for understanding the gist, things like sizes, materials, features, and buyer feedback, but it may not capture every nuance. If something seems unclear, compare multiple parts of the page, like the description and the reviews, to build confidence in what you're reading. Remember, the translation toggle applies per product page. When you open another item, you may need to tap Translate again. And if you don't see the option, make sure you're on a full product detail page rather than a list or category screen. That's all there is to it. Open a product page, find Translate or Fan Yi, and tap to view the content in English. Happy browsing, and enjoy a smoother Taobao shopping experience.